alongside Jacobo Martinez there. Rocco Coronel, Mark van Rooyen, P. Lotten van the Netherlands. On the third row of the grid, Amin Kara Osman, Melvin Kalalsian. It is the WSK Champions Cup champion, the orange Austrian, on pole position for the first heat of the 2024 WSK Supermaster Series. Another formation lap, fortunately for FM Deronov. Debut in Europe, on debut in WSK. James in the 311 Cup Republic alongside Bakar Sutherland. Deronov takes up position alongside Zhao, then it's Meryl Pelvis, Bruna. On the 10th row of the grid, it is the orange Austrian on pole position. The 2024 WSK Supermaster Series is go. But it has come to a stop for two of the Scotty Kart drivers. What a start. We are almost certainly going to go full course yellow. Darren Chang for RFM is still in the cart. Matteo Rivals. Yellow flag, full course yellow. Meryl Peldes, Matteo Rivals, Darren Chang and Filippo Pancotti, the drivers involved. Pancotti is out, as is Matteo Rivals. Darren Chang getting out of the cart now. Meryl Peldes is out. What a start. Full course yellow, and it's not the start we wanted. Attending to Darren Chang, who was able to climb out of the 3-2-3 car. Full course yellow for the first heat, the first lap of the 2024 series. Drivers involved. Filippo Pancotti, tutto bene. Per Filippo, il Piacentino, ma fuori dalla gara, Matteo Rivals. Meryl Peldes, our concern for Darren Chang. So the four drivers involved in that car polluted on the side of the start finish straight. And we're going to go green next time. We'll try and bring you an update. It looks as though there is concern for Darren Chang. Helmet off. Reasonably okay. We'll try and bring you an update with him in a moment. But we will go back green to start lap 5 of 14, the first heat of OK Junior C versus E. Alpha Tognolo and Rocco Coronel. The WSK Champions Cup champion for the TTK racing team. He comes out of the final corner. He bolts, he goes, the green flag flies. This time, we race green. Rocco Coronel on the back of the boy from Brazil. Mickey Banan, and the Dutchman from the third row of the grid. Rocco goes by the South American. Nicholas Chalflin leads the restart, qualifying heat C versus E. OK Junior, this is the first of 13 heats. Round 1, the WSK Supermaster Series. You're at the centre of the karting universe. South Garda Karting at Lonato. Hailey Christian, the Canadian, in the 361 Cody Card makes a nice move down into the chicane. He was caught up in that first lap incident. Stunning start from Derek Clark. From the back of the grid, the Forza Racing driver flashes by in position 14. Jedernock just ahead. Hailey Christian up into 12th with that move. Then the two Australians, Derek Clark, James Anagnostiades, Zhao from the People's Republic of China. Just repeating, Tang Sochi, Zhang, Heldes, and Marcel Rivels are out. Two of the Scotty cars out. James Anagnostiades, welcome to WSK, mate. Captain watered off the start. He's back to 15 and copped a warning flag as well. It's got some speed in the 311 Cup Republic as the KRs run 1-2. Tomiolo back to 4. Martinez there. Under the autos, the fastest lap of the race for the Swiss driver for RFN, just ahead of Noah Bagwell, Hailey Christian, Jared Clark, and Agnostiades, Zhao, Jedonov, Kanishka Rao. Seeing the judgment from the back of the grid for AKM Motorsport up into 18th place. Royan tries to find a way by Maka Savalo. Great lap in qualifying for the Dutchman. Into the final corner, not this time. Behind his under the autos, battling Hailey Christian and Derek Clark. Yaroslav Karpov, the Russian on debut in the 378 Energy. Rounds out the field, trying to take down Vanessa Shilkanyaki, Torres, Wolf, Amina Osman, Santi Girardet. Lilian Suarez from France. In 383 Red 3 car, fighting with Vanessa Shilkanyaki. Devon Walsh from the 15th row of the grid. Devon, last year's WSK Final Cup champion in 60 minutes. We see the Tony Kart make a nice move up the inside. Hailey Christian. And the Canadian goes by the Brit Baglin. Rocco Coronel ranges up behind the Austrian, the WSK Champion Cup champion, Nicholas Chalflin. Martinez e Filippo Sala, the two Italians, gli italiani insieme Sala. Per il team inglese, Ricky Clean Motorsport, 327 in terza posizione, davanti Jacopo Martinez, due piccoli, WSK per il pilota, segui la Cup Republic, Martinez 3-0-9. Il primissimo Sala cominciano l'11° giro, l'austriaco schiaffa davanti il pilota olandese Coronel. Martinez ha superato Sala, ora Jacopo, il primo italiano in terza posizione, il trentino Filippo Sala in quarta, Chevrolet, Tomiolo, Max van Rooyen, Kalausian, Andriotis e Jedernock. Hailey Christian Behind Jedinov, head of Bagland, Jared Clark, Dean Hoogan drawn from the back of the grid up into P14. Watching the Dutchman, that is Jared Clark. Bagland, back down the inside, JC follows him through. Dean the Dutchman on the outside, that's deep, and has not yarded from Melbourne on debut in WSK, holding his own in this world-class OK Junior field in round one of the WSK Super Master Series. Shuffler from Coronel on lap 12 of 14. Stanislaw, Jedinov, Sakai, Wolf, Samtic, Gerard there goes through, Ali, Alex Bruna-Goffner, Lillian Suarez now ahead of Vanessa Silkanyati, Marcel Jebo, Amin Kara-Osman, Yaroslav Karpov rounds out the field. Selfless pulled away from Coronel. As the two Italians have now been caught by Nakar Savlov in the energy card. This is the last lap that Nicholas Selfler is about to start as he comes out of the final corner. Qualifying heats versus E. The first of our 13 heats here today for OK Junior. Selfler on his last lap, the WSK Champions Cup champion in P1. Selfler, Coronel, and Jacobo Martinez there. Carlos Savlov, Matt Van Rooyen, Tognolo. Montalausin, Andriotis, Jedinov round out the 10 ahead of the two Brits, Bagland and Jared Clark, three from the back of the grid. Looking to finish in 3:12 as he fights with Jared Clark. JC defends, Selfler wins her first heat of the afternoon. Jared Clark just holds off Green the Dutchman with a storming drive past the front of the race, Jacobo Martinez there. But it is the orange Austrian for TTK Racing, Nicholas Selfler, who takes the first heat win of the day.